Let's now start using some audio. Audio is an important element within video. That could be background music, sound effects, or a voiceover. So let's just import some audio. Let's just start by heading over to our audio map within Premiere that we just created. If you don't find it anymore, there's a very useful tool up in the right corner of your source window. Just press once and it will show you all the folders you have created. I'm just going back to the main folder, so press Project and then reopen the audio folder. I'm just going to drag one audio file in. Now, you cannot place the file on top of the video file. That's because V1, V2 and V3 are video tracks, only for video, photos and graphics. A1, A2 and A3 are for all your audio files. So in this case I will just drop it on A2. On the audio track you could see whether it's sound by its waveforms. If there is almost no or just not at all audio, you would see not any waveform. So I will remove the parts where there is no waveform showing up. As of with this audio track, we cannot see the end, so we need to zoom out. We just use this tool scroller down here, just pressing and holding the circle and drag it to the left or right to zoom in or out. I'm just going to shorten this clip by pressing C on my keyboard and clicking where I want to split the audio. Then I'm going to remove the second part of the audio. You could also preview your audio clips within the source window. Double press on the audio file and this window will show up. Within this window you can see exactly when what kind of audio is playing. You can also cut in this window by pressing I for in point and O for out point. Then just simply drag it from your preview source window to your timeline.